Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is GSM based prepaid electricity energy meter using Arduino and power theft alert system. So in this project we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using, and that is sent to Arduino Uno R3 board, and GSM SIM 800C for SMS alert purpose, so theft alert purpose, or recharge purpose we are using GSM SIM 800C RXTX 0 and 1. Theft switch, it is connected to the fourth pin. 16 cross 2 LCD display, it is connected with RS enabled D4 D5 D6 D7 8 9 10 11 12 13 SPTT relay energy meter and LM3.8 op amp and connected to the A0 AC bulb. So here we are using recharge cards RC 100 units, 200 units, 300 units, and this is our block diagram of the project, and we are getting the SMS alerts also. The first power supply is connected to the energy meter, and that energy meter power supply goes to 0 to 9 volts adapter power source, and that goes to bridge rectifier, filter, capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED 5 volts power supply module. So here we are using GSM SIM 800C module. So here you can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card. Press it will come outside. So Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance. Cut should be always outside. Press it will go inside. GSM SIM 800C module. Arduino Uno R3 board 8 9 10 11 12 13 connected to the 16 cross 2 LCD display, and 7th pin connected to the relay, and pulses, that op amp pulses goes to Arduino A0 pin. Whenever energy meter on, the bulb on, the pulses will come continuously and it will send to Arduino Uno R3 board. Power on. GSM based prepaid electricity energy meter power alert system. GSM testing. GSM connected. Echo. Finding network. SIM card is inserted into the GSM module. Test messages. So in this, all messages should be deleted. So it will check the internal balance, whatever the internal balance it will show. Okay, so there is no power theft. So now it is started. So just now I recharged. Okay, so if you want to recharge it, the option is ash capital S dot RC 100. Okay, go to ash capital S dot, no spaces, RC, all are capital letters, RC 100, then star. Okay, so 44, balance is 222. So any power theft detection. Power theft is S. Power theft, no. Okay, power theft meter detected. Okay, so till now I am not recharged. Once balance disconnected, then I will recharge it. If you are adding main balance, and this balance will add it. Okay, I'll send. Now I am sending to this SIM card. I am sending the SMS to this SIM card. It will recharge. Till SMS not gone. Okay, waiting for acknowledgement. Till SMS not sent, it is rotating. Now total 10 units, balance is 48, 9 units 47, every 5 units one count, 8 into 40, 7, 35, 6 units. Okay, 6 units. Once balance is goes to decreases, then it will tell you that there is no balance into the Arduino board, then power cut, so energy meter disconnect, then it will send SMS, low balance, please recharge it. Okay, we will get SMS alert, low balance, please recharge it, low balance, please recharge. Okay, now go to clipboard, RC200. Okay, 0 units, 0 balance, 0 power disconnected, power off. Okay, so no balance, power cut, SMS sent, hash capital S dot RC200. Okay, now our power on, recharge on, amount received 200 rupees. Okay, then power on success, recharge amount is 200 rupees. Okay, total 200 units, balance is 200 rupees, 200 into 5, 40 units. Okay, so then it will come step by step. Okay, okay, now any power theft detected, power theft equal to yes, power theft equal to yes, power theft equal to no, meter reading power theft detected. If you want to add more recharge, if you want to add extra units, okay, goes to 100, RC 100, 200, 300. Okay, now you can check it out. Yeah, power on, recharge equal to 100 rupees. Okay, we will get acknowledgement SMS also. Okay, recharge amount 100 rupees. So our recharge is as capital S, RC 100, there is no spaces, 200, 300, like that. Okay, once again, power supply board GSM SIM 800C. I'll send how to insert SIM card onto the GSM module, a video I will share. And here power supply board, 9 volts adapter, power supply, 16x2 LCD display, SPDT relay coil, bulb, and energy meter, Arduino Uno R3 board. Thank you.